Today's question is also about how to find the circle of convergence, but this example is a very special one. So let's think about the first step. Just like before, we are gonna take the limit of the ratio of two functions using j plus 1 and j to be substituted separately into the function, which is limit modulus j plus 1 times z when j is approximate to infinite. Unlike the other two examples we have already introduced, this time the parameter right ahead of z is j plus 1, and we know when j is approximate to infinite, j plus 1 is also approximate to infinite. This is not an exact number, so in this case, the radius of the circle of convergence for this function is 0. We can also say it converges at z equals 0, and that's it.